مرحبا بكم أيها الطلبة الأعزاء، ومرحبا بكم في هذا الفيديو الجديد. إذن اليوم إن شاء الله تعالى سنرى نموذجا من نماذج امتحانات مادة مهارات الدراسة. إذن قبل أن نبدأ، من لم يشاهد دروس مادة Study Skills فليذهب ويشاهدها، وكذلك من لم يشترك معنا في القناة فليشترك الآن فضلا وليس أمرا بالطبع. إذن حتى لا أطيل عليكم, let's get started. Alright? So as you see, this is a sample of previous exam. Alright? So let me read the first question for you. Define briefly the following items in the context of study skills. We have the item networking and intrinsic motivation. That is to say, in this first question, you are required to define briefly what networking means and what intrinsic motivation means. Alright? Of course, here you may given other items to define. Alright? For example, instead of intrinsic motivation, you may given extrinsic motivation. And instead of networking, you may given to define time management or teamwork or any other items in your courses. Alright? So here you have to pay attention and you have to revise all the definitions you have. Okay? So in general, approximately you have 2 to 3 items to define. So we move to the second question. Alright? React to one of the following statements in a fully developed paragraph. The first statement says, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Okay? The second statement says, one of the best lessons that anyone can learn in life is how to use time wisely. Okay? So the first statement talks about teamwork or study group. That is to say, in your paragraph, you need to show or talk about how working together leads to success, or you are going to show the importance or the benefits of study groups. Okay? In the second statement says one of the best lessons that anyone can learn in life is how to use time wisely. Meaning that in your paragraph you have to write about the importance of time management or how people can use time wisely. Okay? So here you have a limited space to write your paragraph. So now we will move to the correction of this exam. So the first question, as we said, define briefly the following items in the context of study skills. Networking means students linking with things and people to help them make a success of learning. Alright? Intrinsic motivation is the type of motivation that comes from inside of you, internal motivation. The second question is react to one of the following statements in a fully developed paragraph. Okay? So here I chose the first statement and I wrote for you this example. Alright? So let me read for you this paragraph. Nobody can ignore the fact that study groups is a valuable thing to do and that has a paramount importance in every student's life. First of all, teamwork plays a primary role in helping students coming together to achieve their common goals. Second reason of studying in groups is that students see the material from different perspectives and they share their class notes among themselves to benefit from each other. Third reason of study groups is to enable students commit more time to studying and they stayed motivated because the group members need each other. Fourth reason is that students learn more and better through the group discussions, as well as students get the chance to know each other and discover their different cultures and backgrounds. Finally, teamwork is extremely significant in developing a sense of collaboration and mutual sacrifice to reach their determined goals. Alright? Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video.